Former child star Rory Sykes dies in LA wildfires. Mom couldn't extinguish cinders on his roof. Former child star Rory Sykes, who appeared in the British show Kitty Capers and lived with cerebral palsy, died in the devastating Los Angeles wildfires Wednesday. He was 32. It is with great sadness that I have to announce the death of my beautiful son Rory Sykes to the Malibu fires. Yesterday, his mother Shelly Sykes revealed on social media Thursday, "I'm totally heartbroken sick." Shelly, who hosted Kitty Capers, said he died in his cottage on the family's 17-acre Malibu estate after she couldn't put out the cinders on his roof with a hose because the water was shut off by Las Virgenes Municipal Water.